Welcome back to the channel, tech fans. If you have been tracking the foldable phone market, you know the stakes have never been higher. Later this year, right alongside the highly anticipated iPhone 18 Pro and the colossal iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple is preparing to drop a nuclear bomb on the mobile industry. They are finally unleashing their highly secretive foldable flagship. And spoiler alert, they are taking an entirely unique architectural approach that completely redefines how a folding phone should function. Grab your snacks and settle in, because we are diving deep into these brand new, game-changing leaked renders. Let's set the stage. Rumors, design whispers, and patent filings regarding an Apple foldable have been bouncing around the internet for the better part of a decade. But this situation is entirely different. A highly renowned industry insider, someone who holds an absolutely pristine track record for predicting Apple's exact supply chain movements, just dropped these explosive renders. Given the insane accuracy of this specific tipster in the past, it is highly likely that we are looking at official internal mock-ups. This is the closest we have ever been to seeing the finalized hardware before Tim Cook paces across that stage in Cupertino to announce it to the world. The biggest shocker hidden within these files? These renders confirm some of the most wild and contested rumors we have heard over the last year. If you were expecting Apple to simply copy the homework of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, you need to completely erase that image from your mind. Apple's foldable design philosophy looks absolutely nothing like the tall, skinny, television remote-style foldables we have become accustomed to. Instead, the footprint looks remarkably similar to the Huawei Per X, but with that distinct, premium, ultra-refined Apple aesthetic. They are taking a completely different route, and when you analyze how human beings actually interact with digital media, this strategy makes perfect sense. The absolute coolest way Apple is differentiating itself from the fierce competition is the actual physical geometry of the device. When you unfold this new premium foldable smartphone, it is actually wider than it is tall. Let that sink in for a second. Unlike the Galaxy Z Fold series, which forces you to use a tall, incredibly narrow tablet when you open it up, Apple is handing us a true landscape-oriented display the second you pull it out of your pocket. Insiders are reporting that this was a hyper-deliberate choice by Apple's software and hardware engineering teams. Apple wants you to feel like you are holding a genuine, bezel-less iPad mini as soon as the magnetic hinge snaps open. Think about the massive advantages here. When you are streaming high-resolution YouTube videos, playing graphically intense mobile games, or trying to type out a long email on a digital keyboard, a wider screen is just vastly superior. It completely eliminates that weird, cramped, claustrophobic feeling that plagues current foldable devices on the market. It is a media consumption dream and a productivity powerhouse rolled into one. Now, the million-dollar question: why did Apple wait so ridiculously long to enter the foldable tech 2026 market? It is no secret that Apple rarely rushes to be first, they wait to be the best. They wanted to release a product on their own absolute terms. But the biggest hurdle, the absolute final boss that the engineering division was stuck battling for years, was the dreaded display crease. If you have ever used a foldable phone, you know exactly what I am talking about. It is that annoying little ditch that runs right down the middle of the screen, catching the glare of the lights and ruining the immersion. Apple's top executives reportedly demanded a foldable iPhone with absolutely zero crease. They demanded a seamless sheet of ultra-thin flexible glass that looked completely flawless from every single viewing angle. So, according to these new reports, did they achieve total, undeniable perfection? Well, physics is still physics, and bending glass is never simple. But the supply chain reports claim that the crease on this upcoming foldable is functionally invisible. It is as good as gone. You will literally have to tilt the phone under harsh lighting and aggressively squint just to hunt for a minor ripple. This represents a monumental leap forward for folding screen technology and proves that Apple's legendary patience has paid off. Let's pivot to talk about some of the finer hardware details we can extract from these incredible leaks. While previous tech rumors could never quite agree on the exact dimensions or screen real estate, these new CAD renders finally put the massive puzzle together. We now have a solid understanding of both the external cover display and the massive internal canvas. And there is one incredibly fascinating detail hidden on that inside screen. We finally have visual confirmation of a punch hole camera cutout located on the top left corner of the main unfolded display.
This is a massive deal for the Apple ecosystem.
It means there is no massive, intrusive notch ruining your full-screen experience. It also points to a radically different software approach for the dynamic island when the device is fully open. By placing the front-facing camera on the top left, the lens stays completely out of the way of your content. Whether you are watching 4K movies or playing heavy, console-level games powered by what we assume will be a highly optimized M-series or A-series chip, your vision remains unobstructed. This is the exact design language, the specific wide proportions, and the brilliant camera placement that Apple's secret development teams have been pouring billions of R&D dollars into. Naturally, this completely fresh take on the mainstream foldable has the entire tech industry sweating bullets, especially the current kings of the hill. Samsung is reportedly fully aware of Apple's widescreen, landscape-first strategy. And trust me, they are not just sitting around in their boardroom waiting to get crushed. In a desperate, or perhaps entirely genius, counterattack, Samsung's mobile division is now frantically working on a brand new device rumored to be called the Galaxy Z Wide Fold. That is right. Samsung is actively creating an entirely separate, brand new tier of foldable hardware just to directly combat Apple's upcoming release. This new wide fold is expected to launch later this year, reportedly right alongside their traditional, established lineup, which includes the clamshell Galaxy Z Flip 8 and the standard, narrow Galaxy Z Fold 8. The foldable smartphone wars are officially heating up to boiling point, and no matter which brand you are loyal to, we, the consumers, are the ultimate winners here. The era of lazy upgrades is over, the era of massive hardware innovation is back.
Of course, in the chaotic world of smartphone tech news, we will never know with 100% absolute certainty until a brave factory worker manages to sneak a blurry photo of a physical prototype onto the internet. But if these secure server-leaked renders are legitimate and given the incredibly solid track record of the source, they almost certainly are, then this is it. This is our very first, definitive, official look at the highly anticipated Apple foldable iPhone. I don't know about you guys, but I am incredibly hyped for this paradigm shift. The landscape-first approach just seems so much more practical for daily use, media consumption, and real multitasking. But right now, I want to pass the ultimate question over to you. What do you guys think about this wider, iPad mini-style design philosophy? Do you prefer this new widescreen layout, or do you still prefer the tall and skinny Galaxy Z Fold approach? Let me know all your thoughts, predictions, and opinions down in the comments section below. I will be down there reading through them. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the absolute bleeding edge of mobile technology, do not forget to absolutely smash that like button and hit subscribe. You will definitely want to have notifications turned on for the next update, because the very second those physical prototype photos inevitably leak, I will have a full breakdown right here on the channel for you. Until next time, stay safe, stay tech savvy, and peace out.